Hello friends, welcome to sheet metal tutorial in FreeCAD, and in this tutorial we will learn the hem feature in FreeCAD. As you can see that I have provided the hem on the both the flange. So before going to the tutorial in FreeCAD, let's understand the basics of the hem. So hem in a sheet metals involve folding an edge into it itself to create a smooth rounded edge, and it increase the structural rigidity, improve safety by removing the sharps, burrs, and enhance the aesthetic by providing a clear finish appearance. So there are the many types of the hem, and we are going to see the open hem in our tutorial. So here we will understand the open hem, how to create this type of open hem in a sheet metal. So let's come back to our model. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can visit this tab for FreeCAD tutorial and this one for the FreeCAD articles. Apart from FreeCAD, I write the journal Mechanical Engineering topic, which you can read in your own language. You can also visit my 3D model library, which I have created for FreeCAD part. It is free to use. All you have to go to my home page and click on this FreeCAD 3D models. You can also visit my 2D drawing library. On my home page you will see here the tab 2D drawings. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the 2D drawings. I update my 2D drawings library as well as a FreeCAD 3D model library on time to time. So let's come back to our tutorial. So I will delete this hem, and I will show you how you can create the hem easily. So here my workbench is a part design, so I will switch to the sheet metal, and here if you see there is no any special tool for the hem. So we will select this to edge and we will use the add flange features. So here our body is not active, so right click it and activate the body, and then switch to the sheet metal and select this edge and this edge. Press Ctrl key, select both the edges, and click on the flange. So you can see that flange is created, but it is a 90-degree, and we will convert it into the open hem. So here in length sections I will give the 3 mm, and here the angle I will give the 180, and the bend radius I will give the 0.5. So you can see that by giving this angle 180, we have made this face parallel, so that you can see that this and this is now parallel, and we have got the open hem feature. Let's say OK. So you can see that we have easily created the open hem, which we have discussed. So this is all about how to create the open hem in FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time. If you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on ko-fi.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. You can find my ko-fi donation link in a video description. So keep supporting my work.